अब शेयर स्क्रीन, हाँ शेयर स्क्रीन अब मेरा है, करेक्ट आ गया ना। ओके कुछ तो
अभी आपका ऑडियो और वीडियो दोनों चल रहे हैं ना।
कौन सा? अच्छा ये तो कान को लगा लेने का ना, तो कान को लगा लेता हूँ। अब क्या चालू है? वो तो मेरा रहेगा ना, रिकॉर्डिंग होता अपने आप वो सेट करे से
अभी बात नहीं करनी।
हाँ ओके।
डबल बार है।
Good morning to all. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the 5th class, and we started eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So in this topic, first I defined what is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So first you have to remember here the definition of eigenvalues and eigenvector, that is a lambda ax is equal to lambda into x. Ax is equal to lambda into x, where A is a square matrix, lambda is the eigenvalues, whereas x is the eigenvector. X is the eigenvector. This is the basic definition. Based on this one, all the problems we solve. You should know how to find the eigenvalues, that is characteristic equation. First you have to find by short method and by long method for second order matrix as well as third order matrix. After that you have to find eigenvalues. After finding eigenvalues, you should be able to find the eigenvectors. So once again, in the some other class, I will tell you in detail when zeros come for finding the eigenvectors. When the eigenvalues are zeros, how to find the eigenvector, that I will go in detail. After that, I told you the different properties. So most of the properties I am telling you whenever such problems come in. Come in the picture. So first property is very basic property. Maximum problems are asked on this property only, that is trace. Trace is nothing but sum of the principal diagonal elements. This is equal to sum of the eigenvalues. This is equal to sum of the eigenvalues. Okay. Second is product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of that matrix. Product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of that matrix. That one is that was there. After that, third important property was, suppose a matrix A is there, its eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4, like this. The eigenvalues of A raised to n are lambda 1 raised to n, lambda 2 raised to n, lambda 3 raised to n, lambda 4 raised to n, like this is goes on. So these important properties I told you. Apart from this, I told you when A is the eigenvalue, lambda is the eigenvalue of a particular A, then eigenvalue of A inverse is 1 by lambda. This also I told you. Okay, so these properties whenever come into a picture, so you go on maintain a record. Now how to study, I will tell you. You are having maximum time for preparation, so go into depth as deep as possible. So prepare the first notes, that is the basic definition of eigenvalue, eigenvector, basic properties. You write on the theory part, and on the problem side you maintain a separate notebook, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Each and every problem whatever I am solving, I'm showing here. I will put on the group also. You note that the problems, solve it. Suppose if problems you are not getting, you ask me, I will solve and put in the group again. So in this method you go on studying, and when you go for final year, so or completion of degree, there is little time for studying maths and aptitude limit. So maths and aptitude are very important. If you study in the beginning itself, if you make perfect in SY, it is a great advantage for you people, because the technical subjects, maximum subjects are there, details, syllabus is there, very deep you have to go. So at that time you people neglect maths and aptitude. So most of the students give less time for this one. So the best strategy is, now you prepare for maths and aptitude in detail as you are in SY and you don't have university burden syllabus or exam to you at. Okay, now shall we start? So people should come at exactly at 10. Most of the time we are wasting in just. So till, I mean, 30 problems we solved yesterday. So yeah, this problem was the last yesterday. So now today you take down this problem, take your time and do it yourself. Please take down this problem and solve it. For the matrix -4 to 4 3, for the matrix, given the matrix -4 to 4 3, the eigenvector is. Please do it. Take your time, 2 minutes time to 3 minutes time. I will give you, find its eigenvalue. One of the eigenvector is. What is its eigenvector? Please find it. This lengthy one. Please do it. Take your time and solve it. And put the answer in chat box. Whether you people are, I mean, getting this screen or not. Whatever the problem, I am showing it. Put in the chat box so that I can make the adjustments. Is it visible? If it is visible, please do this problem. What is the eigenvector? Put the answer in the chat box. Please do it. It is C. Is it? I don't have the answer actually. Okay. It is C. Okay. Time is over. Now leave it. You take this as homework. I don't have the answer. Next one. Obtain the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of A is equal to 8 minus 4 to 2. See, this is, I mean, you have to do within 2.76 minutes. That is important here. Try next one. Obtain the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of 8 minus 4 to 2. 8 minus 4 to 2. At least tell me the eigenvalues. If not eigenvectors, at least tell me the eigenvalues.
6 and 4.
Please you put in the chat box and mute kara. And eigenvalues are how much? 6 and 4. Okay, 6 and 4. So, okay, 6 and 4. Good. Next one. Leave it now. Do in the home. You have to do in the stipulated time. If the problem is lengthy, okay, I will accept it. Now, next one. 4 and 6. Okay, good. See this problem. That is the 33rd problem. For the following matrix 1 minus 1. Remember, for the following matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3, the number of positive characteristics root is. Once again, I will repeat the question. For the following matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3, the number of positive characteristics root is. Once again, I will tell you, characteristic root is nothing but again eigenvalue. Characteristic root is again nothing but it is eigenvalue only. For the following matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3, the number of positive characteristic root is. Means here you have to find the eigenvalues and check that how many of them are positive. How many of them are positive. So the options are 1, 2, 4 cannot be found. 1, 2, 4 cannot be found. At least C cannot be the option here because this is a second order matrix. So at the most maximum you can have, how many characteristics roots? 2 only. So A हो सकता है, B हो सकता है और C हो सकता है. तो देखो आप कौन सा है बोलो मुझे. So answer theta is saying B. A, she is saying 1. Okay, 1, she is saying 1 positive root. Others? For the following matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3, the number of positive characteristic roots is, positive root रहना वहां पर, जैसा 2 है, +2 है, माइनस अगेन सोनाली शिंदे 1 positive root she is saying. Vijay Urade again 1. So I will find, just you see here, you take the characteristic, that is we know that A minus lambda is equal to 0. So here you take 1 minus lambda, here you take 3 minus lambda. Got it? 1 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda. So 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda. So 1 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda. This is minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus lambda into 3 is minus 3 lambda. 1 into minus lambda minus lambda. So lambda into lambda plus lambda square plus 2 equal to 0. Lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 2 plus or minus I. Now tell me the answer. I have find lambda is equal to 2 plus or minus I. So what is the answer? Redmi Note 5, 2. How it is possible 2? Poonam 1. Most of you have said 1. Is there any positive? तुमचा root काय आलाय? माझा आलाय 2 plus or minus I. मेरा 2 plus or minus I आया. ये सही है या गलत है? आपका रूट क्या आया? ओ देखो पहले मुझे, और वो रूट देख के बोलो मेरे को पॉजिटिव रूट आपका सही है या गलत है. इसके बारे में बाद में डिस्कस करके बोलो मेरे को. अंजुम सेज इट इज बी. 2 कहां से आए? 2 रूट्स पॉजिटिव हो गए आपके. 2 प्लस और माइनस आई मीन्स 2 प्लस आई 2 माइनस आई. आप दोनों को भी पॉजिटिव ले रहे. पहले ये बोलिए मेरे को कि मेरे रूट सही है या नहीं है. आपके क्या रूट्स आए, उसके बाद हम आंसर डिसाइड करेंगे. उसके बाद आंसर डिसाइड करेंगे. 2 प्लस और माइनस आई. डू इट प्लीज. On what basis you are saying that 2 or 1? 2 is the root. Theta is saying 2 is the root. Is it right? Then my calculation is wrong. If 2 are the roots, then 2 positive roots are there. Then B is the right option. मेरा भी गलत हो सकता है, मैं भी गड़बड़ी में कर सकता हूँ. Please go through this question once again. I will repeat it afterwards. आपके रूट्स क्या है देखो. मैं करे तो 2 प्लस और माइनस आई आया, सो एक भी पॉजिटिव रूट नहीं हो सकता है. आप करके देखो इसको प्लीज. Okay, next one. This is the fill in the blanks question. Please listen here. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is 50. If one of the eigenvalue of the matrix is 10, the other eigenvalue is. Yes. Now leave the previous question. Come to this one. ये तो आप 1 सेकंड में करना चाहिए. जो क्वेश्चंस इजी रहते हैं आप 1 सेकंड में खत्म करो. लिखो आंसर. द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ अ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स इज 50. इफ वन ईजन वैल्यू ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स इज 10, द अदर ईजन वैल्यू इज. यस, वेरी गुड. 5 यस राइट. हाँ बघा, कोणाला कळालं नाही, जिसको मालूम नहीं हुआ देखो इधर. द डिटरमिनेंट दिया आपको और एक ईजन वैल्यू दिया. हमारे पास प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द ईजन वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट. आपको सेकंड बाय सेकंड मैट्रिक्स है, मतलब 2 ईजन वैल्यू रहेंगे. यू विल बी हैविंग 2 ईजन वैल्यूज. So when you will be having 2 ईजन वैल्यूज, so one of the ईजन वैल्यूज is 10. So definitely दूसरा 10 into x is